Hi everybody, I'm Nancy G. Baker, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite dessert recipes. It's for chocolate banana bites. They're quick and easy to make. They only require 4 ingredients, and 3 of those are considered clean ingredients, so that makes it a healthier option. I start by lining a tray with parchment paper. Since this is going to be in the freezer for a while, I like the size of the styrofoam trays that come with meat. That's another reason I like to line the trays. Once you have the tray ready, it is time to peel and slice the banana. As a side note, because bananas go bad rather quickly, I like to cut and freeze them after they have been at the house for a few days. Sometimes I cut them up like this and leave them in the tray for about a week or so, but another option is you can cut them in half and freeze them and store them for smoothies, and they can last for like a month or so. Once the bananas are cut and lined up on the tray, I add almond butter to the top of each one. This makes the dessert both sweet and savory, which I just love. I use almond butter, which I can make at H-E-B, a grocery store we have in Texas. I love this option because price-wise it's competitive and I know what's in the ingredient list. The consistency remains good over time, which is not always the case with other brands. Sometimes almond butters can separate and the oil will rise to the top. So when it comes to the ingredient list, less really is best. Once this is done, add a handful of chocolate chips to a bowl and heat them up in the microwave for about 30 seconds at a time, stirring in between each time until the chocolate is completely melted. Once that's done, add a spoonful of coconut oil to the chocolate until it's melted and then pour it over the bananas. When you're selecting chocolate, remember that dark chocolate contains less sugar than milk chocolate, and cacao is healthier than cocoa because of how it's processed. Cacao is higher in protein, fiber, magnesium, and iron. Cocoa powder without added sugar is still high in nutrition, and it's more affordable as well. I used to spend around $5 a bag for a higher cacao content, but now I spend around $2 a bag and just make sure it's dark chocolate. Once all of this is done, you pop it in the freezer for a few minutes and you can enjoy them by yourself or share them with family and friends. If you would like to see more recipes like this, make sure you subscribe and feel free to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.